Sean again, an application engineer here at Datac Instruments. In this video tutorial, we'll demonstrate the derivative triggering method in ExcelLink. Instead of streaming data into Microsoft Excel at a particular level, or inside or outside of a particular window, the derivative trigger method allows you to stream data into Microsoft Excel at a particular rate of change. To demonstrate this, we'll run Advanced Trigger ExcelLink from the Add-ons menu. With the Slope tab selected, we'll choose to stream 100 pre-trigger and 200 post-trigger points into Microsoft Excel when ExcelLink sees a sudden jump above 2 volts on channel 1. If we look at the resulting spreadsheet, we'll see that 100 pre-trigger and 200 post-trigger points streamed into Microsoft Excel on the sudden 2-volt jump. And while the surrounding cycles were in the same amplitude or power range as the glitch, it was the sudden rise above 2 volts over that very short period of time that triggered streaming into Excel. The derivative trigger method is particularly useful in applications like testing motor bearings, where the shaft sensor produces a smooth, low-frequency waveform when the bearings are operating normally, and picks up vibrations, displayed here as glitches, when the bearings begin to fail. The derivative trigger method allows you to take a before and after snapshot when the failure begins, as opposed to recording continuously and having to go back and search for the failure.